Hi everyone, I'm Jolie, your nanny and family matchmaker with Creating Connections. It is Real Wednesday, so let's get real. Merry Christmas Eve to all who celebrate. Our Get Real topic today is really just around taking a deep breath. There's a lot going on in the world, especially on one of the biggest holidays of the year for many, many people across the globe. Christmas. So my reminder to you is to take a breath, make sure to make some eye contact with your kids. There's a lot of running around. There's a lot of getting from one place to the next. There's a lot of getting ready and going one place or another. So just remember to take a breath, get on their eye level, make some eye contact, and check in with yourself and with them so that this is a happy holiday for everyone. Merry Christmas.